Our group name is called pu'uhonuaopuna. It means, it's refuge of Puna. That's what it means. The hard part is trying to get the right people behind you. Puna is strong, resilience. They don't give up. They love one another. They care for one another. Also, Puna means we're not going nowhere. We're staying here. This is our home. We are at this time, because the eruption is over now. But there is still a lot of healing for Puna. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done in Puna, and we're trying to do as much as we can. So we are not stopping from helping Puna, because there's over 1,000 homes that was taken in this lava flow. There's over 1,000 families. So these families are still going through the struggle. So we want to help these guys go through the struggle still yet. It's a long-term commitment to helping our Puna people. But pu'uhonuaopuna is pretty much committed to this long-term commitment and helping our community.
Since the lava flow happened, I lost where I was living in Leilani Estates, and to get to the beach now it takes a long time, and nothing's really the same there, So I've learned that we are flexible, and we have to be more understanding and be able to be reactive to what happens around us. Well, my mom, she was pretty amazing woman. She was born in Fukushima, Japan. She moved with my grandma and family to San Francisco when she was about 11, became a U.S. citizen, and from there they got stationed back in Hawaii. My grandpa was about 5 generations on this island, and they got moved back to Hawaii, and they lived in Honolulu, and she grew up surfing in Waikiki, and she grew up playing music, and she loved Hawaiian music, jazz music, Beatles, all kinds of music. That was her passion, and surfing,
Pu'uhiki, very special place to us, yeah. And so, just before the lava come, very, very last minute, I find out that we have a meeting about Pu'uhiki first. We didn't go down there to say goodbye. We go down there to give thanks. To give thanks for all the good times and all the fun we had and the friends we meet. And, we meet a lot of our good friends from faraway places, But hopefully in our heart, we hope that the volcano and Pele and the lava, they leave something for us down Pu'uhiki. And so we happy because lava stopped. Take away a lot of the place, but still leave something for us. We always spend a lot of time down there. Still so different for us, So we still trying to adjust to different, because not how it used to be for many, 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 many years, And so after we went down there, then the place got saved. It stopped, lava stopped. One day, my son Koa and other lifeguard, Mark Collins, Pu'uhiki still was off limits, meaning nobody allowed to go down there yet. The civil defense, the police, DLNR, they keep everyone out. So Koa and the other lifeguard, they put their boards in the water 4 miles away, down Opihikau, and they paddle open ocean to get to Pu'uhiki. And when they reach there, they see that there's still turtles and a lot of fish trapped in the pond, and no food, no oxygen, so they start to get sick. some of them die. So he comes home and he tells me, oh, still have a lot of fish, a lot of turtles. We don't want to see them die. So I make a phone call to geothermal, my friend geothermal, and ask for help. And they asked what could help with. I said, we need helicopters to fly us down there. So we fly down and we cross net, we put net, we chase the fish and the turtles to one side, and we catch them. They hit the net, we catch them, and we release back into the ocean. That is all special to us, you know. We get to surf, and so much turtles we get to experience that kind of nature. So at that time, turtles, the fish especially, we eat. And so beautiful, turtles so beautiful. So if we can help them now, our turn, human beings, to help the animals, to give chance of life again, because they give us life. If we didn't start to help people, then all that our parents taught us, our grandparents taught us, would have been wasted. They teach us this, so then now it's our turn. And if we don't do, we cannot teach our children, we cannot teach our grandchildren to continue to carry on and help with when people need help. Why we get along with the people from Japan so much. And I said, because Japanese people are very different. When they come, they're very respectful. They always ask. So that's why, not that we don't like other people from different places, but every culture has different ways of respecting. And so that's what it is. If you come to Hawaii, we welcome you to come and see what's happening. But most important, we also want you to respect our land, our people, and our culture.